noche de desmadre.
Look at that boy go!
Homies wild, look at it, ball.
Dive!
Look at the homies over
I
here.
ain't never seen nobody swing some shit like this. Hey, y'all know how to raise it though? Raise it.
Who's are playing around?
They're being rowdy. Being rowdy shit. Hey, swing that hoe. Hey, bro, I got the switch. Hey, you for real know how to whip that shit. Swing it.
Oh, in the direction.
You see how it's steadily go up and down? Press it, press it.
You know, go up, go higher.
Go up, more up. Hey, just don't hit my horse. Don't hit my horse. Hey, get that shit, man.
Fuck.
Lower, I'm trying to get on top. Lower that bitch, I'm trying to get on top. Nah, that was the one.
Oh, they got it. They got it. I want to put it Ah, perro.
Popping that shit. I didn't know he was at a low rider shit. How much that cost you?
Let's go around the
Around the wings, we go around the wings. Hey, let me get up, let me get up. Hey, Torch, hey, start charging us. Hey, start charging us. Hey, $5 ride.
$5 ride.
Hey, do rollers. Hey, $5 Torch. You change your bag, you change your bag. Show it off, drive it.
They're about to raid. They got a raid. They got a raid. They got a raid.
Place your bets. Where's he at though?
Este cabrón va para allá.
Nah, man.
He's off to a late start. Anything's possible.
Anything is possible.
Anything.
Hey, y'all never heard of tortoise in the hair? Y'all got this. Y'all got this.
Tomorrow, bro. Get it done in a week, bro.
Ready for flagging down. Oh, you guys need to line up. BMW. That's good or oil? That's oil, huh? Yeah. That's oil.
Swing it, bro. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Watch out. Oh, shit. Damn, look at that. Woo. That's fucking right, my boy. Holy shit.
That's bad. Oh, you got through. Ah, hell no, that's a BMW.
Watch out, watch out. She's getting active.
Huh?
I'm getting active.
Yeah. For real. This car right here?
Yeah, guys, if you guys, so we came over here because the Losas is right on the other side. The Losas party on Instagram, if you're not familiar.
Oh shit, homie gonna swing it.
What do you guys rather see, some boxing or some comedy?
I say get out the way.
Again.
That's fucking right.
Again.
So guys, that's definitely last call for a pastry. So if you want a crispy, delicious bakery made churro, careful, because it's gonna be looking like last call. When the cops show up, I'm gonna be fucking dancing. Right there, boom. It's Chris Origins. Chris Origins, you can see it's on his story. Chris Origins on Instagram. It is the third story.
Chaotic Joe on YouTube. Chaotic Joe.